इंडिया शॉट आउट for 36 in embarrassing loss. 20 दिसंबर 2020. Scan the score for a photo gallery of the India vs Oz match. Virat Kohli walks off after being dismissed. AFP. HT correspondents. Letters at hindustantimes.com. New Delhi, India suffered a shocking batting collapse in the Adelaide day-night test on Saturday after the Australia fast bowlers dismissed them for their lowest ever test score of 36. India was skittled out in 21.2 overs in the second innings to lose the first match of the series inside 3 days. Josh Hazlewood, 5/8, led an exhibition of fiery Australian fast bowling as the batsmen were confounded by pace, bounce and late movement. Australia skipper Tim Paine, the wicket-keeper, took 5 catches. Any hopes of extending a 53-run first innings in a test dominated by bowlers were dashed as India fell way short of their previous lowest innings total, 42 in the 1974 Lord's Test against England. India's 36 is the joint 5th lowest score in Test history. Only 3 teams, New Zealand, South Africa 4 times, and Australia, have been bundled out for 36 or less, going back to 1896. New Zealand's 26 is the lowest. No Indian batsman reached double figures with opener Mayank Agarwal's 9 the highest. The only other instance of all 11 batsmen ending up with single-digit scores was in 1924 when South Africa were 30 all out against England in Birmingham. India's innings ended in Adelaide when last man Mohammad Shami, having struck a blow on his right forearm against Pat Cummins, could not continue. Australia, left to chase down 90, won by 8 wickets. India skipper Virat Kohli was dismayed at the outcome. He was run out for 74 in the first innings when set, at his favourite venue where the visitors had won in 2018-19 and went on to achieve a historic first series win in Australia. "It's a strange one to be honest," he said in a virtual media conference after the game. "The ball didn't do much. I think we did not have enough intent to go out there with the plan of taking the game forward. Everything hit the edge. Just happened so quickly, that no one could make any sense of it. It was quite disappointing because the position we were in, from there to have an hour and a half like that was very surprising." Kohli had hoped to hand India a 1-2-0 lead. Australia extended their record in pink ball tests to 8-0, before flying home for the birth of his first child. He edged to Gully attempting to drive, on 4. "You can make all the team plans you want, but it is more important what the mindset of the individuals taking the field is," Kohli said. "Whether you want to take the game forward or you want to play absolutely solid. That you are very sound defensively and are feeling comfortable. Historically, I can tell you whenever I have batted well in these situations, my plan has been to go and get a quick 30-40 runs and take the game forward. When we lack in intent, the opposition can sense it and put you under extreme pressure. That is exactly what happened. The MCG test starts on December 26th. We can only go upwards from here. We definitely don't feel we are vulnerable to collapses on a regular basis. I don't want to make a mountain out of a molehill." India shot out for 36 in embarrassing loss. 20 दिसंबर 2020. Scan the score for a photo gallery of the India vs Oz match. Virat Kohli walks off after being dismissed. AFP. HT correspondents. Letters at hindustantimes.com. New Delhi, India suffered a shocking batting collapse in the Adelaide day-night test on Saturday after the Australia fast bowlers dismissed them for their lowest ever test score of 36.